I have a problem with too many spray cans on the ground, and I have like 2 crates of these, so I need to get them off the ground. So let's build an organizer for this. Here we go. So we're gonna cut out all of these shelves so that we can attach them to the side walls of our shelf. And this will be the back plate that would be attached to the wall once everything's completed. So this is all a prototype right now, trying to figure this out. This next piece will hold the shelves together on the sides. So the shelves will actually snap into these dog bone slots. Inserting those tendon hinges became a lot more work than I anticipated. It looks easy right now because I'm only inserting one shelf. But once I try to put both of them on, it's getting real tough. So that's how the tendons look like once they're inserted. It's pretty sturdy though. You can see I had to use a mallet in order to get those tendon hinges in. Otherwise, I don't think I would have been able to do it with just pinching with my fingers. And there it is, the first prototype of the spray can organizer. Testing the functionality and the practicality of the shelving unit. You gotta make sure so that even if it's in there, it's not gonna fall on anybody or my toes. The first prototype hinges were too thick, so we're gonna thin them out on the sides and recut them. And we are assembling. Fully assembled, we will place some spray cans in there to make sure that everything works the way that it should be. All the holes are cut big enough so that it can hold most spray cans. I chose a place next to my wood stains so that paint and the stains can be in one area and make it easier and more accessible. These markings will be the area where I put the drywall anchors into. This is just for you to be able to see them. There you have it. It's mounted on the wall. I hope you enjoyed this project as much as I have, getting these organized and off the ground. If you like projects like this, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.